National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Marion County, Washington County, southeastern Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, southeastern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern St. Genevieve County in southeastern Missouri until 5 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Genevieve, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Centralia, Chester, St. Genevieve, Sparta, Red Bud, Nashville, Bremen, Steelerville, Marissa, Bogeville, Sandorville, Wamak, Central City, Percy, Coulterville, Tilden, Evansville, Lively Grove, Irvington, and Ashley. This includes the following state parks: Felix Valley House State Park. This includes Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 41 and 61. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. for portions of Illinois and southeast Missouri. Severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for Washington County, South